President Joe Biden has proposed the American Families Plan. The proposal came on the eve of his first 100 days in office, and the White House is calling this plan part of a larger economic agenda, including the American Rescue Plan, signed into law in March, and the American Jobs Plan. The White House calls this an investment in our kids, our families, and our economic future. More details were laid out by the president in his first joint address to Congress on April 28th. And the American Families Plan includes a huge investment in things like childcare, paid family and medical leave, universal preschool, free community college, IRS staffing and enforcement, nutrition assistance for children, and expanding and improving child-related tax credits, including delivering the child tax credit regularly instead of waiting for tax time. Some enhancements to the Affordable Care Act were included, which is why we're talking about it today. The American Families Plan would permanently extend the more generous subsidies in the American Rescue Plan. The American Rescue Plan has these subsidy extensions only running for 2 years. What it essentially did was say enrollees in a private health insurance plan on healthcare.gov, the private health insurance marketplace, pay no more than 8.5% of their income towards their coverage, which means some of the lower income households see their premiums reduced to $0 for some. People a little bit on the higher end of the income spectrum, over 400% of the federal poverty level, could see a tax subsidy for the first time. Like we said, the American Rescue Plan only extends that for 2 years. The American Families Plan, the proposal is to make that permanent. The White House says this is a $200 billion investment in these healthcare coverage options for families. Also on the healthcare side, included in this plan, would be an investment in maternal health and support for the families of veterans receiving healthcare services. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Becerra issued a comment after hearing the details of the American Family Plan. He said, the plan provides economic and health security for families by providing paid family and medical leave, investing in maternal health, and devoting billions of dollars to make affordable, high-quality childcare accessible to every family possible. He continues, and it makes the American Rescue Plan's healthcare coverage tax credits permanent, continuing the administration's commitment to expanding health access and affordability. And he says, just as importantly, the plan is rooted with equity at its core and helps tackle disparities that have persisted for far too long. In the description below, you can read more about the American Families Plan. We link to the White House's fact sheet that bullet points out some of the specific provisions. We also give you the rest of Secretary Becerra's statement.